For some reason, he thinks he's a bad boy now and chases me every morning. I'm a prisoner in my own dang house from these damn chickens. I don't think so. Well, man, look at the day. I guess we're gonna get some rain. I'll take this weather, that little cooler with a hoodie on. Let's get to the job. Hammer's getting me a load of riprap. Guy wants some riprap done. Get this thing prepped for blacktop. Just have an amazing day. Yeah, I'm bottomed out. Ain't making it in here. Here's our country traffic jam. The guy on a tractor waiting. Can't get by. Probably retired and got a lot of stuff to do today. He's not even angry. Look at him. It's been a little bit of laying the confusion this morning. We're here. I was with my cousin trying to get the grades right. He's doing the blacktop. Clawing this turn, make the driveway entrance in, getting it nice and wide so we can get some good base in there. And I tell you, all this stuff's hard, super hard. They got bank run in here, creek rock, all kinds of stuff. See, people don't even mind out here going around your stuff. They're just, they'll wave at you, tell you thank you. Talking grades and all that, and there's different going back and forth with the builder wanting to do, which I don't think is gonna happen, and I kind of just got overwhelmed and jumped on my machine and just started digging. That'll work itself out in the ether. Yeah, it should be good. Like I said, Hammer's getting riprap for that. I'll run down here and get this bucket off and get my truck out of the way. Hammer's here in all his beauty. He knows somebody. Imagine that. Come on back with your bad mother ecking self. Come to deity. Yeah, come on back a little more. Come on back more. That's good. Perfect. Yeah, today's one of those days. 2 points ain't coming together. Everything's kind of... It will, though. I see the vision. Well, when it gets like that, too, is when you got too much going on. I'm already supposed to be backfilling the basement tomorrow, and now we got rain. The guys call me once a piece of equipment moved. When you get too much going on, it's too stressful. It takes the fun out of it. Spin her on around. Come on, Cole, get it, you little foo-foo. Watch. Oh, Jesus, about blew my damn knee out.
How many times are you gonna do that today?
Which way you got it? Where do we gotta go? There, you gotta break it with your hand and then stop it when it gets, you don't have to do that, it self-locks. Well, we're starting to make a little bit of progress. We got everything pretty much to grade. Gonna have to get a drain there. I don't know if I told you that. You know, having work's good, but when you got too much work, it can be stressful. Everybody wants me there, now, then, whenever. Supposed to be in like 5 different places. Equipment to be moved, house to backfill, do this, big septic starting Monday. Light down, killer. Let's see what we got out here. Heck, that might be that's probably a 12-inch. I had it located. We'll see if there's any unexpecteds in there. That's the best utility locator there is, excavator. Smooth buckets where it's at for doing this stuff. I wish I had, well, I got one. I got to get it ready, a smooth bucket for when I'm doing like smaller ditching and stuff. There's some wires, a little snaky. It's a banded. Sketchy with your back setting towards oncoming traffic. You never know when you're gonna. A buddy of mine works for a big road construction company, and that happened to him. He was in a excavator with the tires on it. He said a truck ran off the road, a semi, and he could see it coming to him. All he could do was swing, and that truck plowed him. I don't think he worked after that. One vision, one goal, just get it done, whatever it takes. One load successfully dumped. Now we got to get her moved, get the customer in here. Now I tell you what, I'm doing this stuff, it's like I'm squatting. My hands are. Come on up, wild man. We're parking off the road. You getting it, Cole?
Yeah.
Is it ready? Is that your needle point shovel? Your needle nose shovel?
It's in the
Duck bill?
duck bill.
He called it a needle nose shovel.
Needle nose.
Yeah.
Well, go get it. Where's it at?
You want it?
No, you gotta dig this out so this pipe can get in there.
You gotta dig it out more.
You want the duck
Dig
bill?
that hump out, Cole. No.
No.
Chip that little, you gotta get all that shit. That bell goes all the way back to here. Let me show you. You gotta take this and get it down in them grooves. that good?
No.
Okay, Cole, do the rest. Like I showed you. Like we demonstrated. Like you're digging for gold there with your needle point.
They did see it the other day.
Counting what all those springs and the paddles in there. All the motors he built.
Gramps, why you work so hard?
What's that? You talking to me?
Yeah.
What?
Why you work so hard?
Don't worry about your mule, just load the wagon. I work from here down.
Cole, should we put an extension on that thing or what?
I only work from here down. I don't use this.
Well, then you're freaking not very smart, then. Executive decision. You know what? I just came to the conclusion why this job's kind of just got me frustrated, because I came to this job with a vision in my mind of how I was going to do it and how I was going to execute. As soon as I got here, they changed it. We were no longer doing drains. They were going to daylight it out. In my head, I knew that wasn't going to work. You're going to put too much of a bank, but I just went with it, whatever. So it changed my scope of work in my mind. So now I'm like recalculating. I'm trying to figure out, you know what I mean, how this is going to work, what it's going to go. I mean, when I get these jobs, I think about them for a couple of days and I process them. So when I get here, I can execute, hammer it out, done. And then when you get here and it's changed, you know what I mean, I didn't process that. So it just wasn't in my scope of work. So I don't know. I hate that when you come there and somebody else tells you how to do your job. I don't like that. I knew getting it to drain out was not going to work, because you're going to be, he wanted to go that way and this way. You're going to be too deep there. Look at that. We shot it was like, you're going to be like 2.5, 3 foot, then you got a big ledge. Yeah, so kind of like recalculate yesterday, I'm like, that's not going to work. So I got here today and shot, I'm like, dude, it's not going to work. Yeah, I hate that. I had this in my mind, and honestly, I probably would have been done already. But that just threw me off, and I'm trying to, you know, I spent an hour and a half this morning with my cousin with blacktop, shooting the grades and all that. That was wasting my time. I was coming here with, you know, with the intention to rip wrap, run this son of a gun, and get it going. You gotta have a good, solid game plan. I hate when people dictate what I'm trying to do, but whatever. Step back, repunt, let's go. Yeah, that was just a frustrating thing, so I'm gonna have to come over. But yeah, so I just couldn't get in my groove, and I couldn't, you know. Where are you going? You should highlight them tips on your hair. That'd be bitching. Sycamore trees growing in there. Maybe them clod hoppers. Look at that, it's gonna look bitching when we're done. All rip
Yeah,
rap.
that dirt you can bring up right on top.
That'll look bitching, won't it?
Oh, man.
It'll look like Elvis in his blue suede shoes. Take her to church, Colston. Bring it home, brother Colston. I mean, brother Carlito. Colston ran down to get the saw. Since I yelled at him, man, he runs now. He gets it. Said it's got a McJagger edge on it. He straighten her up. Man, that laid in there real nice, didn't it, Colston?
Yeah.
Colston took her to church. He showed him what to do. Colston knew. It was all Carlito. Look at that. I should have done it before and after. Look how this is all widened out now. We're gonna rip wrap it on down. That looks bitchin'. Hey, when you hire Orschell Excavating, that's the kind of stuff you get right there, ain't it, Colston?
Yeah.
Taper that back more. We can get quite a bit of that hump off there still. Work our way back here, start getting this chiseled out.